Alright, so we're back in the lab here, ready to perform a system test on the Dragonfly and mitigation kit. Our indoor furnace blower is on, indicated there by FO3. 1 AC, meaning that we're calling for the first stage of cooling. You can probably hear that the condenser is on and running right now. And to test the operation of the mitigation control, next to the red LED, we have the little white test button there. You're just going to press that button twice. Red LED will blink rapidly and operation of the condenser will be disabled. You can hear that the condenser actually shut off, and the Dragonfly kit will still continue to force a fan call for dissipation. So this is a field test that you can perform to verify that the mitigation system is working correctly. All right. To escape out of that test at any time, just give the white button next to the blinking red LED one quick push. We'll go back to a standard flash, and then our condenser will turn on again. All right. Another way to test this system when it's up and running, calling for cooling, all right, is you can simply just unplug the A2L sensor from the control board. And within a couple of seconds, we should go into a dissipation fault. And again, we go into a rapid LED flash, and our condenser is disabled, and furnace control board is still on, commanding the fan. Once you plug the sensor back in, it will take up to 5 minutes for the system to reset, recognize the sensor, and bring everything back into commission.